what you need to be for Halloween if you have red hair, part 3. Stay tuned. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? My name is Annabelle and today we are continuing our Halloween redhead costume video with no exception, and then the only Kim Possible. Okay, so we're just gonna jump straight into this tutorial. It'll be a pretty simple one, which is nice. Kim Possible is simply iconic because I'm Kim Possible. That's the energy we need today. I've been filming all day for some brand deals, which has been, you know, amazing. It's such a blessing. So I'm ready for some Kim Possible creative energy vibes. Kim Possible is a really simple costume if you have red hair because she doesn't wear a lot of makeup. She basically parts her hair to the side. You have the costume. She wears like a brown lipstick, so I'll put that on. And that's pretty much it. So let me get my lipstick and we're gonna part our hair and make sure it looks all good, and then we'll throw on the costume and get all of the Kim Possible vibes. So earlier when I did my hair, I gave it a blowout, so it kind of is going with the whole Kim Possible look. And what I'll do is I literally will just comb my hair backwards and find a side part. I believe this is the side that she parts on in the cartoon. I mean, we're going off of a cartoon, but and kind of begin to start shaping this side part. So I would definitely recommend to wear your hair kind of straight or like a blowout to give you that volume for these really deep side bangs that she wears. And then I'm just gonna hairspray this so that it stays a bit better. Okay, let's hairspray it just so it stays. Ooh, look at this popping side bang we got, guys. So now I'm going to do like brown lipstick. So these are both from Primark, which is a store in the UK. So just anything you can find that are kind of like these sorts of shades, because she basically wears like an orangey brown lipstick color. So anything that you have will do. So we're just going to put that on. Now it's time for the costume, which is linked on my Amazon. Let me show you what comes with the costume. We're gonna put it on. We have gloves. We've got the big old green balloon pants. Oh my gosh, guys, that she wears. They're like the, I don't know, they're low-waisted. I feel like they're kind of high, and then they kind of have like the pockets and stuff and the buttons, and then they're cinched to the bottom. And then we've got the black long sleeve. Oh my goodness. That she wears, a little crop top. I love Kim Possible, she's cute. And then we've got like this little belt thing and this like satchel that goes on it. So we're gonna put this on and just like put on black boots, black tennis shoes, whatever shoes you have. And then that will be our final result for the Kim Possible. It's literally the simplest costume ever. I've actually been Kim Possible before. Let's insert a photo here. And I wore a wig because I actually didn't have red hair at the time, which is just hilarious. So I'm loving that I get to recreate it, but with real hair this time. So real red hair. Kim Possible look is complete. Belt, the pants, the little crop top, and she is good to go. I'm gonna insert some videos and some pictures of the Kim Possible outfit so you can get like the full idea. But I'm here to save the world. Kim Possible. I seriously don't know the words even after doing this TikTok with this sound for like 20 years. Love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we are continuing our series, so I will see you in my next one. I want you guys to tell me below what you're gonna be for Halloween. I need to know, but I'll see you guys soon.